Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The Beatles rock band was formed in 1960 with members John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison and Ringo Starr. The group was recorded as one of the most influential acts of the rock era.
Let me down. Don't let me down.
Musician Zak Starkey of British rock band The Who and son of a legendary Beatle Ringo Starr is here on Jamaican soil. The musician, who has a keen interest in reggae, is preparing for the release of his own reggae album. All recordings are being done at his Terrace-based studio. The project, titled Red, Gold, Green and Blue, has brought together iconic musicians in celebration of rhythm and blues Jamaican style. Starkey will perform this weekend at the Rastafari Roots Festival taking place in Negril on December 17. He shares the stage with Sly Dunbar, Michael Rose and other stalwarts in reggae music. Terrace is tackling crime in his latest single, Graveyard. Produced and released on the Tariq Russian Johnson Moscow rhythm, it puts into perspective the serious issue of crime in Jamaica. The artist is hoping that the single will have a positive impact and offer potential solutions for politicians to combat the issue. Terrace was a part of last year's Crime-Free Christmas initiative led by guitarist Lamont Monty Savory.
Hey, well, all I want for Christmas is to stay alive. Can't take the sound about the 45. Well, all I want for Christmas is to stay alive. Health and strength, more life. Tired of my brother and my sister, them a quarrel. Hey, come make we drink liquor sorrel. Tell Auntie Joan and Uncle Warren send clothes and grocery, no gun in a barrel. You know, say Santa no give a carry. And my old stop can't manage. I fill up my mama all when she no have it. She give me little chocolate tea, a little porridge.
On the international scene, Kanye West is set to make his debut appearance on the Kardashian Christmas card. Despite being married to Kim Kardashian for over 3 years and having 2 children together, the hip-hop artist has never before joined his spouse and in-laws for their festive tradition. Reality star Kim Kardashian, who's currently expecting her 3rd child, this one by surrogate, teased a snippet of the family's annual card and kicked off the 25-day countdown on her social media accounts. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.